The industry's first choice for calculating trench and pipe networks is MudShark. It's never been easier to accurately calculate your cut and fill results and see your trench measurements. From a proposed site, you can name, categorize, and define your trench network, including pipe details. Then, you can take off your trench run with just a few clicks, easily changing altitudes and creating new definitions as you go. There are no limits to the amount of trench networks you can create. So whether you're calculating sewage or drainage, electrical or utilities, MudShark can make short work of your pipe quantities, excavation, and backfill. You can use the interactive 3D displays at any point, so inspecting your trenches, pipes, and materials is simple to do. The automated clash detection will check your pipe network and identify anywhere that pipes are clashing so you can avoid any complications on site. After you've taken off and checked your trench network, you can group your trench networks into depth categories. Take advantage of our powerful trench takeoff with MudShark. Get your free 14-day trial today.